Here we go again. Welcome to another video. Before we start, can you slap the like and subscribe button? Thank you for your support, and without further ado, let's get right into it. When I was up this morning, I thought Bitcoin went below the 55k range because I saw that fear and greed index and it was on the 25. Extreme fear. Once I went there, it was nothing happening. Practically we were almost the same as yesterday. All this day has been between the 57 and 58k range, and the other altcoins has been a little stable too, but we just need to get rid of the FUD that is going around because of the German government. They already sold all their Bitcoin, but now I'm going to give you a couple of charts so you can see where we are right now in terms of the third phase of Bitcoin before the euphoria phase. I have a couple of charts here and we're going to start with this one. Once you get to see that after these lines right here, the Bitcoin just go up in price right away. So we just need to keep in mind that we are still early right now in the phases of Bitcoin. The third phase is right before the uptrend just go for a few months, and just remembering that what we are experiencing right now is that we got into the all-time highs before the halving starts. So maybe that's why we are being consolidating around this area, but right now we are just about to dip our toes in the waters of these white lines that we can see here, and after this is a major uptrend. So the other chart that I can show you is the halving cycle crashes. It has been very neutral for now. It has been just consolidating between the 71k and the 55 for now. As much as we see that the sentiment is very negative, the market is not dipping that hard. So just by dip, just imagine just that you are buying the Bitcoin that is gonna surpass your 100k this year or next year, definitely. What I can show you now is that the ETF growth rate has been changing the trend, because last month it was very negative, but now it's becoming positive again. Bitcoin ETFs flows are becoming positive again after having a downtrend practically the past month, and now, same as the other chart, is becoming an uptrend now. So as we can see here in the Bitcoin risk signal, we're just in the bottom still, just waiting for the uptrend. On this chart we can see that it has been for quite a while as an up and down, but not even a real up momentum that we have in this phase. We are in the belief and denial phase just before the euphoria, which is prompt to be right on the end of the year, or I will say beginning of next year. According to this chart, it can get into the 240k range price for Bitcoin. So that's really interesting to see. Also, we can see another chart about Bitcoin 50 weekly moving average, and once it touches the lines of the moving average, it always bounces. And I want to point it out something very interesting, that the quantity of Bitcoin needed to retire with median US family income is just 2 Bitcoins in 10 years. 2 Bitcoins in 10 years. So I know it's a lot, but that's why you just dollar cost average and buy some Satoshis without problems. It just treated like a savings account. It's not financial advice, but it's just the math is showing that once you get into the habit of accumulating Bitcoin over time, it just pays off. Just God wonders what will happen between this year and next year for the third candle, green candle that we can see Bitcoin doing. Practically, it's very interesting to keep it in mind. Well, this is all for today. Like and subscribe if you like this type of content, and see you in the next video.